A good day, everyone. This is Teacher Richie, and let me share how CuriPad makes teaching and learning more exciting and interactive. So, when you open CuriPad, you can either create your own lesson or explore ready made templates. It offers a variety of tools like polls, quizzes, word clouds, open ended questions, drawing activities, debates, scales, and reflection prompts. These materials are designed to keep students engaged and thinking actively. Students can join quickly with just a code, no complicated sign-ups. Once inside, they can answer, vote, draw, brainstorm, and share their ideas live, while teachers instantly see all their responses on their screen. This creates a classroom where every learner has a chance to be heard, not just the outspoken ones. For teachers, CurePad saves times and keep lessons dynamic and well organized without needing multiple apps. For students, it transforms learning from passive listening into active participation, making lessons more enjoyable and meaningful. So, in just a few clicks, CurePad turns an ordinary class into an inclusive, interactive, and fun experience for everyone. Once again, this is Teacher Richie, and thank you for listening.